Hey guys, it's James with Turo Tales. Real quick, my wearing a uniform does not constitute an official endorsement by the United States Army for anything that I'm about to say. Shout out to Antonio. He had a question, just wanted to answer it. It's a good question, and it brings up the question of maintenance and how much do you save, or what percentage of your car rental do you, kind of put away for maintenance costs, and that's a good point. So how we did it, we sat down with a piece of paper and we estimated. We looked online and we found the estimate for maintenance based on our vehicle, and we just did some real rough guesswork on how many miles we thought it would be driven. We anticipated driving it almost none for the vehicle, and so we kind of just used those numbers to get a quick estimate on our 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan on what maintenance would be. Now, with a newer vehicle, you can expect there to be less maintenance, but that's still some maintenance. So obviously oil changes, you're gonna need tires, brakes, just air conditioning potentially reserviced. Those kinds of things you can kind of build into your price model from day one. Now, we have been way under what we estimated out for that budget. So we figured $600 a month. Above that, we would keep those profits. But what we did in practice was different, and it's what I recommend for you to do as well. The first 1 to 3 months you're renting, at least, you should not be taking any of those profits out to spend. All that money should go straight into the business, and what you're building is a cushion. You want to build a little nest egg inside of your account, your Turo account, that is just for the unexpected things that are going to happen. And we've had to replace like a plastic Velcro attachment that goes on the back of the seat. It was $25. Some of our other cars we've had to replace rear brake lights. So little things like that, and then obviously the maintenance that comes with new vehicles, but particularly with our older vehicles we've had. So what I would recommend and suggest is that you don't take any profits out of the business. You leave them inside there, and you build up an amount. And for us, that amount was $2,500. So we built up $2,500, and that just stays in the account. Since then, we have purchased many more vehicles, and we've used that money to fund those purchases. But definitely for the first few months, figure out a dollar amount of what your comfort level is. And if you have a brand new car that's brand new Toyota Yaris, and you expect there to be very little maintenance, then you can be a little bit more aggressive with that number and maybe only save $1,000 for your vehicle breakdown fund. But if you have an older vehicle and if you're driving an old Jaguar, maybe you want to keep that number higher, or a BMW or something. So it really comes down to what you're comfortable with. But I would recommend, and what we practice is we keep kind of liquid capital in that bank account. We don't touch it. The other cool thing about that is after you get a few months in and you start adding cars and everything, that number becomes, everything above that is kind of the red line. Everything above that's profit. And so when you see the bank account just keep increasing each month, you know that it's profitable, because you're not taking money out of your own account to fix this or that or the other. And it's really easy nowadays to open a new bank account, transfer all the money direct into there, and just watch it grow. So thanks for the question. If anyone else has any questions, please leave them below. Again, I'm James with Turo Tales, and stay classy.